Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to heat your pan up. Use a medium flame, around 275 degrees. And then you want to get your extra virgin olive oil and use about 2 tablespoons of that. And then listen, I'm using fresh garlic cloves. I use maybe about 10 to 12 of them. You know what I mean? I just crack them, peel them, and then drop them in the oil as they heat. You just want to kind of like do some sort of a like roast, put a roast on it. Now, after roasting your garlic on both sides, you want to go ahead and add your chicken, to your pot. Listen, you want to start, for me, I like to start with meat side down. And if you notice right here, I didn't season my meat, in the beginning. You can. Sometime I do it that way. This particular time, I just went ahead and put it in the pot. In the pan, meat side down. And then, you know what? We're going to season it. I moved the garlic around, just arrange it so that it fits better. And then I went ahead and hit it with the salt. And as you can see, listen, everything is really like to taste. I will put the exact, quantities and the recipe down in the description box below. Okay, and then next, we use paprika. Paprika gives it that, that nice color. So go ahead and sprinkle that on the top, and then after you sprinkle that on the top, then we're gonna move over to the next ingredient, which would be, the black pepper. And go ahead and just I like a lot of black pepper, you know what I mean? So be generous with it. And listen, we're gonna let that, baste and marinate on the top as it's cooking. After about 10 minutes, and then you want to start flipping your chicken over, so that you can cook it on the other side. I suggest that while it is cooking for its 10 minutes, that you keep an eye on the way it's browning. You don't want to over cook it, and you don't want to burn the top. So if it seems like it's cooking a little too fast, what you want to do is just reduce the heat. And then after that, once you have everything flipped over, then there you go. You just start seasoning it again in reverse. Now you're putting the seasoning on the top. Very easy to do. You know what? And it comes out great. And then those of you that want to have pasta, you can serve it on top. And let me go ahead and address the part about using Alfredo sauce. Alfredo sauce is usually white. I got it. But when you're cooking with juicy whole pieces of chicken thigh like that, you know what? Some of the fats inside, chicken thighs. That's why we love them. That flavor. That flavor gets into the Alfredo sauce along with that garlic. And listen, my mouth is watering right now talking to you guys. Hey, I hope you guys like this recipe. And let me just say, if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and take the time to welcome you to my channel. You know what? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and everyone else. Even if you've been here and you've been here for a while, this is what we're doing. And I just want to say, hey, thanks, and I'm out. Peace.